So hi, I'm Anna Riarte and I'm standing here with Matthias Knoch from Baldwin. Hi Matthias.
Hello Marlene, and welcome to all of you out there in the world.
So Matthias, tell me, how does the film cylinder cleaner work?
Yes, of course. Here we have the film cylinder cleaner, or FCC as we call it internally at Baldwin. It is based on our Knoch technology, which we are using also for decades in the printing industry. The system works in a way that we are applying the cloth onto the surface of, for example, cast extrusion or sheet line extrusion, and we can clean the surface automatically and in line. In addition, we can use a high precision dosing equipment for liquid, cleaning liquid for example, or solvents to assist the mechanical cleaning with chemical cleaning. The big advantage of it is we can clean in line and online. That means during the production, so you don't have to stop the machine anymore for your manual cleaning process. It will in future be automatic.
As pioneers in the industry, how is Baldwin planning to keep on innovating in the industry?
Of course, we are working on new concepts and new developments for the future. One of it is that the FCC has been further developed to other applications. For example, we have now a solution to put the FCC onto machines which are coating material, something we have not done before. In a second step, we are looking into, let's say, a new process which will be of importance for all of us in the future. So this is something very new. And we have also started a separate R&D project where we actually lift up the cloth cleaning technology onto a different level. So here we are in a good position. First tests have been very positive, and we are now entering into the stage of designing a customer product.
So the FCC was introduced about 8 years ago to the industry. And how many cleaning heads have we installed since then?
Today we are talking about 80 cleaning heads which have been sold to customers, installed, or just have been shipped, so they are not commissioned yet. Looking at the current order backlog, we are quite hopefully that to jump over the level of 100 pieces soon, end of this year, early next year. And today is the first day at K-Show, and we had already a couple of customers here who are really interested in the FCC. And if we are lucky, we will have the next order on this K-Show still for a customer who showed up this morning. So we keep on counting.
Is it easy to retrofit our products into any press?
Yes, indeed. The FCC has been specifically developed for easy retrofit on existing machines. We always have to consider 2 or 3 criteria. One is the mechanical integration of the cleaning head. Here usually we always find a solution for the customer and together with the customer. From an operational point of view, we have quite a simple human-machine interface with using a touchscreen. And the electrical interface is kept very simple. We need a couple of I/Os on the lower scale. And if a customer wishes to have a higher integrated, more sophisticated system, we are happy to talk to the OEMs and the machine suppliers, and we can also supply interfaces like Profit. So we are quite flexible, and I'm sure we always find a solution to integrate the FCC.
Thank you so much, Matthias.
Thank you, and bye-bye.